Hi friends, good morning. Today going to do a standing balance flow, no downward dogs. So for those of you with some wrist issues and some shoulders issues, rest easy, not going there today. So we're just gonna work on our balance. So really utilize your breath here and also really utilize your drishti, which is where we look. So when we're looking at something, we're kind of directing our focus and attention. Look at something that's not moving. I wouldn't recommend looking at me. Then it can really help our stability, yeah? So let's play and whatever happens, whatever doesn't happen, it doesn't matter. Let's just move and breathe and enjoy. So let's start standing. We'll start in Tadasana. So hips distance with the feet. Pick up the toes, spread them wide, lay them back down. Maybe feel the four corners of the feet. Have a little bit of sway in the hips and then find that sweet center spot. And from that place, press down through the feet firmly. Maybe separate the heels out just slightly. Lengthen the tailbone down. Palms come forward. Reach out the crown of the head. Strong mountain pose here. Couple rounds of breath. Bring the heart center forward as the shoulders relax. Lift the arms up on an inhale, sink the hips back. So Uttanasana, chair pose. Exhale, shift the weight to the right foot. As the left leg lifts, hands go back. See, already maybe finding a little balance here. Inhale, wide leg, chair pose, sink the hips back, and then exhale, switch sides. Let's move really slow and with resistance and move with your own breath. The exhale, you lift. Inhale, chair pose, open the heart. Once more each side. And chair pose. Staying here for a moment. Keep the hips low as you open the heart up, cactus the arm. Interlace the hands behind the back. Open the heart once more, and then lengthen the legs as the heart pours forward. Have a little bit of a sway. Oof. It's a good view from down here. Wow. Bend the legs and slowly come back up. But Williams Reservoir outside of Pagosa Springs, stunning. Come to the top of the mat. So we're going to do kind of what we did, but we're going to add on. So inhale, chair pose. Exhale, shift the weight to the right foot as the left leg comes up. Inhale, chair pose. And exhale, left knee or right knee comes up. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, left knee. Once more. Inhale, chair. And exhale, knee comes up, one leg mountain. Let's lift the arms back and up so the heart kind of opens here. And exhale the hands to heart center. Begin to shift forward. Thumbs to the sternum. Actively press into hand as we tilt forward. So don't worry about how deep you're getting into this. Have a slight bend in the standing leg and find some buoyancy. And lift through the inner right thigh. Slowly lift back up. Arms lift, right knee lifts. And exhale, Tadasana. Do this on the other side. Inhale, chair pose. Heart stays open. And exhale, left knee lifts. Inhale, chair. Exhale, right knee. Inhale, chair. Exhale, left knee. The arms wave all the way back and up. Hands touch. Shift forward, warrior three. Gaze at one thing that's not moving. A little bit of internal rotation on both legs. So you can think about lifting through the left inner thigh. And then inhale. Maybe the arms even come forward to help guide you back up. Invite all the shakes in. And then exhale, Tadasana. One round of breath here. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, the right knee lifts. Arms come all the way back and up, heart opens. And exhale, warrior three. One round of breath here, inhale. Exhale here. Inhale, slight bend in the standing leg. And we're going to shift all the way back, right foot plants. Inhale, crescent lunge. Arms are coming up here. Soft bend in the back knee. Inhale, cactus the arms as you lengthen the front leg. And exhale, pour forward for pyramid variation. Inhale, halfway lift. Reach the heart forward. And exhale, pour forward. Inhale, bend in the front leg. Come all the way up. Cactus the arms. And exhale, hands to heart center as we shift forward into a warrior three. Just a round of breath. And begin to come up. The right leg is going to wrap all the way around for eagle pose in the legs, Garudasana. So squeeze leg into leg. The right toes can come down onto the ground if this helps with stability. Inhale, open the arms into a big T, and exhale, the left arm will come on top of the right. Backs of the hands can touch or fronts of the hands. And then inhale, open the arms up. Right knee lifts as the hands lift. Exhale, Tadasana. Let's do this on the other side. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, left leg lifts. Arms come up, back and up on an inhale. Exhale, warrior three. Full round of breath. Gaze at one thing. Big inhale. And slow step back, crescent lunge. Feet are on train tracks here. Slight bend in the back knee. And then inhale, cactus the arms. The heart moves forward, the hands move back. And then exhale, pour forward as the front leg lengthens. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold. Bend in the stand in the front leg. Inhale, crescent lunge with cactus arms. And exhale, shift forward. Warrior three. Bend in the standing leg so that you can come up. The left leg wraps around the right leg for Garudasana eagle pose. Toes can touch down if that's helpful, but squeeze in. Inhale, big T in the arms. And exhale, right arm over left. Eagle arms. Everything comes together. Inhale, unwind the arms. Left leg lifts, arms lift. And exhale, Tadasana. One round of breath. And we switch it up just a little bit. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, right knee lifts, arms move up and back. Maybe extend the right leg long here. One round of breath. Moving to warrior three. If the leg is long, then flex the foot as you tilt forward. Warrior three. Breathe in. And on your out breath, we step back into crescent lunge. Come right into cactusing the arms here. Arms move back and forward. Warrior three again. Inhale, you shift up. We're going to go right into eagle pose. So wrap the leg right around. Hands can stay at heart center here. 2 rounds of breath. Squeeze legs together. Gaze at one thing. And we're going to open up into warrior two. So big transition here. Unwrap the right foot. Kind of tilt forward for a counterbalance and step the right foot all the way back. Warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior. And exhale, we're going to shift forward into Ardha Chandrasana half moon. So maybe you take a little step forward with the back foot. Hand reaches for a block or for the floor. The right leg comes up. Gaze can be up, down, or out. Right arm can lift. One more inhale wherever you are. And then gaze down. Heart faces down, shines down. Bend the standing leg as the right leg comes off the left side of the mat. Wave the hands back, curtsy pose. And then inhale, swoop the hands down and up. Exhale, Tadasana. One round of breath. We'll move on the other side. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, one leg mountain with the left foot lifts. Arms move back and up. Left leg lengthens maybe. One round of breath here. And we move into warrior three. So if the leg is straight, then flex it so you can shift it back. Warrior three. Bend in the standing leg to shift back. Crescent lunge, cactus the arms. And we move right back into warrior three. Come forward, pounce up. Full round of breath. Bend in the standing leg, shift the torso up, left leg wraps all the way around. Eagle pose. Squeeze the legs together. The left foot can be on the ground if you'd like. We're moving back into warrior two. So unwind, kind of shift the torso forward for balance. Warrior two. Flip the front palm. Inhale, reverse warrior. And exhale, half moon. So maybe a step up. Tilt down, hands to floor or block. Stack the hips. It's a slight internal rotation, an inner spiral with the top leg. Lengthen the neck long and press out through the heel. One more inhale. Begin to gaze down, heart shines down as we move into curtsy pose. So the foot comes off the right side of the mat. Wave the hands back. And then inhale, wave them down and up. Exhale, Tadasana. Spread the feet wider here. Bend the knees, come into a goddess squat, toes slightly out, heel slightly in. Just to get a little wiggle. Bend the elbows. The right shoulder comes down, gaze towards the left. Inhale is a center, and exhale. Switch sides, once more each side. Just to get a little twist, nice twist action. And come back to center, press down through the feet. You can toe heel the feet back together. And a little shake in the body. So release whatever didn't happen, whatever did happen. Remember that we're just playing here and teaching our body movement patterns and creating self-relationship. That's really underneath what we're doing on our mat. So thank yourself for showing up for you today. Hands to heart center and bowing out to Namaste. Thank you for joining me. I hope to see you next time on your mat. If you're interested in live classes, then head over to CCY Studio. There's lots of classes there, longer classes and some live ones if you'd like to practice that way. I will see you next time. Love from Colorado.